CAVS is a program developed with Python to evaluate adsorption and desorption data in both batch and fixed bed conditions. The main objective of this software is to solve two problems, which were pointed out by the recent adsorption literature: the linearization of the experimental data to fit the models, and the abuse of the coefficient of determination to conclude which model best represents a set of experimental data. By using this software, you can evaluate your data statistically, as well as fit several models to the experimental data obtained for the adsorption and desorption kinetics, equilibrium isotherms, and fixed bed. The program evaluates the fit statistically, based on a set of 5 tests, and ranks the models, using information criteria, in order to determine the best representation of the experimental data. All the results are shown through tables and graphs using a simple and clear way, facilitating the interpretation of the results. The results calculated for each model are saved in specific Excel spreadsheets, where the most used metrics generally used to evaluate wastewater data are saved. Improve your adsorption data evaluation using CAVS, which is free for everyone to use.